NFT Wizards is the go-to place to learn how to trade NFTs profitably. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, or digital assets on the blockchain, can represent any and everything out in this world. Think of it as having indisputable, verifiable proof that you are the owner of something. It can be anything from physical artwork and real estate to memberships and digital content. But just as important and popular as owning NFTs is making money from trading them. But too many new NFT enthusiasts jump right into trying to trade NFTs without having the knowledge, experience, and tools to profit from it. And that's the problem that NFT Wizards is solving. Founded by NFT, crypto, and stock investor, educator, and YouTuber Sajad Ali, NFT Wizards is a community of over 30,000 NFT traders and enthusiasts. Of those, over 1,800 members are holders of the Wizard Pass NFT, which provides some of the most amazing benefits to those looking to trade NFTs. Unlike businesses in most niches and industries, hundreds of NFT projects are launched on a weekly basis. And unlike the stock market, NFTs are bought and sold on in various online marketplaces 24/7. Also, NFT Wizards consists of some of the smartest, most experienced, and knowledgeable trading minds in the NFT space. Because of that, its Discord has quickly turned out to be one of the go-to places for anyone looking to learn how to trade NFTs profitably, no matter your experience, budget, lifestyle, or where you're based. From weekly live training and early intel on various projects, i.e. alpha, to getting on hyped launch lists, i.e. whitelists and 24/7 support, Sajad and his NFT Wizards team aims to provide the best NFT trading community in the world. All of these benefits, and more, are available to holders of the Wizard Pass NFT, which you can purchase from secondary markets like OpenSea and LooksRare. So what specifically do you get as a holder? Getting a bit more technical and using the NFT lingo. Want to know the hottest, upcoming NFT launches and rumors? Get exclusive, curated alpha, put together by the Wizards team of analysts and researchers. Don't want to miss out on the latest and biggest crypto and NFT news? Not a problem, the Discord also has a channel that provides recaps of what's been happening. Want to trade NFTs on a daily or even hourly basis but not sure when to buy or sell them? Get real-time alerts from alpha callers as well as discuss with other Wizard Pass holders in Discord. Being that NFT Wizards is focused on teaching you how to trade NFTs profitably as well as providing support, there are weekly live training and AMA, Ask Me Anything, sessions on a variety of topics, from knowing when to flip, keeping track of your profits, and understanding how to use analytical tools. And if you can't attend these classes, recordings are available. Other benefits of being a Wizard Pass holder include raffles and giveaways to upcoming hyped projects as well as a calendar so you won't miss when they're launching, notifications of when whales and NFT influencers buy into a project or sweep them, so you can piggyback off the momentum. And if that wasn't enough, holding multiple Wizard Pass NFTs provides you with even more incredible benefits, some of which you'll just have to join the Discord to find out. But one of them is early access to the upcoming all-new, Deep Blue NFT analytical tool. This is a perfect complement to the education, training, support, and community that NFT Wizards is already providing. At last, an NFT tool with premium but easy to understand analytics that helps you buy and sell profitably. Built by traders, for traders. That's the focus of Deep Blue.